Oh my God, I'm sorry. Anyway, uh, item number 18, prove natin. Item number 18, pero this is mahaba. So actually, kaya ito mahaba kasi meron tayong mga sub-proofs. So magpo-prove tayo within a proof ulit. So baka kasi hanapin, lalo na if yung proof nyo is kailangan detailed talaga yung proof or hinahanap yung full, ang tawag doon? Like full version. Anyway, so start tayo. For every integer n, there exists an odd integer m such that 2 to the 2 n plus m is a perfect square. So, masasabi natin perfect square is isang number kung kunwari n is a perfect square if I can write n as k squared. So, kunwari, ang example is 4. Yung 4 is kaya ko isulat as 2 squared. Ay, yung k dito is for some integer k. Ayan. Then, okay, so yan yung sinasabi nung definition. So, punta tayo sa proof. Okay, so ang assumption is, let 2 to the 2n plus m be a perfect square. So, ito yon. So, ang ipoprove natin is there exists an odd integer m. So, ang ipoprove natin is, yung m daw dito is odd. So, ang gagawin natin, kung perfect square to, so by definition kanina, kaya ko to isulat as k squared. So, k squared is equal to 2 to the 2n plus m for some integer k. Huwag niyo makalimutan yung mga for some na to kasi baka tanongin like what is k dyan. So, okay. Tapos, ang gagawin ko, ang mangyayari dito guys is APE. So, find m. So, itong k, yung 2 to the 2n, lilipat ko doon, lilipat ko siya dyan. So, m is equal to k squared minus 2 to the 2n. And this is factoring. So, pag pinactor nyo kasi to, ito yon. So, ano lang siya? Difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Kasi ito, square to, yung k squared. So k, tsaka k. Tapos itong 2 to the 2n kasi, di ba yung 2 to the 2n is just the same as 2 to the n times 2 to the n. So, by loss of exponent, mag-ano yan? Ay, wait. Oo, tama. 2 to the, so magkakaroon ka ng n plus n is equal to 2 to the 2n. So, yeah. So, basically, yan yung nangyari dyan. Tapos, ayun, factoring siya. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko, yung m na yan, dapat may instance na magiging odd siya. So, dapat ipuprove natin na magkakaroon tayo ng isang case na yung m na to, yung m, letter m, is magiging odd siya. So, at least isang case lang. Kasi ang nakalagay lang naman dito is there exists. So, pag there exists, so at least isang beses. So, ang gagawin natin, ito pa lang yung nakalagay dito. Note that 2 to the n, 2 to the n is always even because it is a multiple of 2. So we visit the cases when k is odd or k is even. So yung 2 to the n kasi always even yan. Kasi multiple yan ng 2. So even talaga yung 2 to the n. Yung k, pwede siya maging even, pwede din siyang odd. So magkakaroon tayo ng cases. So case 1. Case 1 if k is odd. Kung k is odd, k minus 2 to the n and k plus 2 to the n are odd. So bakit sila odd? Kasi ang difference of an odd integer and even integer is always odd. So ito yung proof niyan. So yung proof nito, itong proof na to, this is the proof na yung difference daw ng odd integer and even is always even. So basahin nyo na yung proof. So maiksi lang naman. Okay. Tapos, so ito yung proof niyan. So add to. So add daw to, add daw to. So, i-multiply ko sila. So, the product, yung case 1.1 naman, the product of k plus 2 to the n and k minus 2 to the n is odd. Kasi when you multiply two odd integers, wala kang odd. So, odd times odd is odd. Ito yung proof niyan. So, odd times odd is odd daw. Okay? So, sa case 1, napakita natin, m is odd. So, in case 1, we have shown that M is odd. So, punta tayong case 2. So, ano naman mangyayari kung even si K? Kung even si K, yung K minus 2 to the N and K plus 2 to the N are even naman. So, bakit? Kasi sum and difference of even integer is an even. So, ito yung proof. So, ayun, basahin nyo na lang din. So, even daw to. So, ano mangyayari sa product? So, the product of K plus 2 to the N and K minus 2 to the N is even. So, even times even is even. So, ito yung proof. So, ibig sabihin, sa case 2, in case 2, we have shown that M is even. So we neglect case 2, which is okay. Okay lang naman kasi there exists lang naman nakalagay. Ito yung nakalagay. So this implies we neglect case 2. In other words, we accept case 1. So in other words, M is odd if K is odd. So we accept case 1, M is odd and if K is odd. So yan yung proof. So, summarize lang natin mga chikiting. Okay, so let us summarize. So, sa case 1, ang nangyari dito, para malinaw, is even plus odd is equal to odd. Even plus minus to. Plus minus odd is odd. Odd times odd is odd. Odd times odd is odd. Even plus minus even is even. Even times even. Even. So, yan yung summarize, no? Case 1, case 1.1, case 2, case 2.1. So, that's it.
Behind you.
Okay. And that's the proof. Bye.